It's time for Medical Minute, sponsored by Cleveland Clinic in Florida.
A hernia oftentimes will present as a painful bulge or mass somewhere in the abdomen, sometimes related to previous surgery, sometimes spontaneously, but in different locations throughout the abdomen. Typically, those symptoms are going to be worsened with heavy lifting, strenuous activity, coughing, and straining. At Cleveland Clinic, we have a number of specialists who have expertise in hernia repair, whether it be a new hernia or a recurrent hernia. We also have specialists who offer robotic and laparoscopic approaches as well as an open approach depending on the type of hernia or situation the patient is in, which allows us a number of different options to give the patient a tailored approach to each hernia. We have extensive experience in complex abdominal wall reconstructions and taking care of recurrent hernias, and patients have been able to seek us out from all over South Florida for that expertise with amazing results and success.
This has been your Medical Minute, sponsored by Cleveland Clinic in Florida.